If your Lucidchart document says it failed to load, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix, starting with the fastest checks first and then moving into deeper solutions if needed. This is perfect if one specific diagram won't open, the page keeps spinning, or Lucidchart just refuses to load your file. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your Lucidchart document in an incognito or private browsing window. This is one of the easiest ways to test whether the problem is coming from your browser, your extensions, or a bad cache. If the document loads normally in private mode, that's a strong sign the issue is local to your browser and not the file itself. If it still fails to load, don't panic. We have a few more fixes to try. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. On Chrome, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows or Command, Shift, and Delete on Mac. Make sure you select cached images and files plus cookies and site data, then click Clear Data. Once that's done, close your browser completely, reopen it, and try Lucidchart again. A corrupted cache can often cause loading problems, freezing, or broken document sessions, so this step solves the issue surprisingly often. If your document still won't load, the next thing to try is disabling WebGL inside Lucidchart. Sometimes WebGL can cause rendering crashes, especially on certain browsers or devices. Open the document, click the menu button in the top left, go to View, then choose Rendering and turn off WebGL. After disabling it, refresh the page and see if the document opens properly. This is a very useful fix when the file is technically there but the visual editor just won't render. Now let's check your network. If you're on a corporate network, school network, or using a VPN, those connections can sometimes block the WebSocket traffic. Lucidchart needs to load documents correctly. Try turning off your VPN if you have one active. If you're on a restricted network, switch to a different connection if possible, such as a mobile hotspot or home Wi-Fi. If the document loads after changing networks, then the issue is most likely a firewall or connection restriction. If none of that works, the last fix is to copy everything into a brand new Lucidchart document. Create a blank document first. Then go back to the broken file and press Ctrl-A on Windows or Command-A on Mac to select everything. Copy the contents with Ctrl-C or Command-C. Now open the new document and paste everything in with Ctrl-V or Command-V. In many cases, this can bypass a corrupted document container and give you a clean working version of your diagram. After pasting, give the new document a moment to load fully and check whether all shapes, text, and connectors chip across properly. If it works, you can continue editing in the new file and avoid the broken one entirely. This is especially helpful if the original document was damaged or had an issue with how it was saved. So to recap, start with an incognito window, clear your cache and cookies, disable WebGL, check your VPN or network restrictions, and finally copy the content into a new document if needed. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the Lucidchart failed to load document issue. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more practical troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.